Alright guys, you guys are welcome. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable and set up Siri on your iPhone. So if your iPhone Siri is not set up or is disabled, then you can easily follow this video to learn how to set up your Siri functions on your iPhone. So the first thing you want to do when you want to set up Siri on your iPhone is to go to your iPhone settings. Now scroll down from your iPhone settings and to get to Siri and search. Then under Ask Siri, click on Listen For and choose either of the two options like Hey Siri or Siri or Hey Siri. So I'm going to go with the first one, which is Siri or Hey Siri. Then you should see a pop-up that says Enable Siri. Then click Enable Siri. Once you tap Enable Siri, you'll be prompted to set up your Siri. Now the first one to do is you want to click on the Continue button. Once you tap the Continue button, you'll be prompted to say, Siri, how is the weather? Then you can see check. The second one is, Hey Siri, send a message. Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, get directions home. Siri, play some music. There you go. And then the next thing I'll do is you want to click on Done. Once you tap the Done button, you should see your iPhone Siri turned on successfully, and henceforth you can now use your iPhone Siri to communicate with your Siri, whether you want to make phone call or you want to hang up on phone call or you want to perform some other functions with your iPhone Siri. So guys, if this video is helpful, you want to hit like button, of course, you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.